Hello, Mayo. Today I have brought you another problem, and this problem which I've brought you today involves matrices. So it is a matrix equation. Matrix equation, they are not that difficult. They are very simple equations. They are just like any other equations. So the only difference the matrix equations have with the other equations is because the matrix equation, they are contained in parentheses or brackets. So that's the only difference. But the methods of solving these problems, these equations, they are just similar to any other equations. Yeah, I'll talk of elimination methods and all those other equations. So we're just to witness one which I've brought you today. So stay tuned, Mayo. Yeah, so here we have our equation. The question reads, find the values of x and y in the following matrix equation. So this is a matrix equation, just like I have said. We are going to work out this one. So matrices, they got a rule which they use when we are operating on them. So the operation of matrices, they go by this rule. If we're multiplying, we multiply the first matrix with the second matrix by using the matrix which is on our left here. We take the row multiplied by the second matrix which is to our right here. We take the column, so it is row multiplied by the column, meaning to say the components found in the column in the row in the first matrix should be multiplied by the components in the row of the second in the column of the second matrix. So here we go. I'll have to write a solution here. So it is going to go like this: 6 multiplied by x, it will give us 6x. 3 multiplied by y, then here we're going to add. It is going to be plus 3y. Now, for this one, it will be 2 multiplied by x. It will be 2x. Here we're going to have positive as well, plus the answer which we'll get after multiplying this one with this one. But here we got a negative sign, so it will take the sign of negative, because when we multiply negative with positive, the answer is always negative. So it's negative 3 multiplied by y, it will be minus 3y. Then we close with the parenthesis equals, then we're going to equate with the 12, then negative 4, just like I have done here. Now, the way they are, then we are going to equate this row we're going to equate with the corresponding row or corresponding component to our right hand side here. So it will be 6x plus 3y equals 12. Now this will be our first equation. Then 2x minus 3y equals negative 4. And this will be our second equation. So there we are. We have come up with the equations. So we are going to solve these equations as simultaneous equation, or we are going to solve them simultaneously. So there are many methods of solving simultaneous equation, but as for me here, I'll go by what we call substitution method. So let me use the first equation. So for the first equation, I will choose either of the variable to make
subject of the formula. So just like it is, 6x plus 3y equals 12. So let me choose y to make y the subject of formula. Then I will take this one, 6x, to go to the other side. So it will be 3y equals 12 minus 6x. So there we are. I want to make y the subject. So I have to divide to get rid of 3. So 3, it will be divided by 3y over, and this other side will also be divided by 3. So it will be 3 divided by 12, 12 divided by 3, and negative 6x divided by 3 as well. So 3 and 3, it cancels out. Then we're going to have y equals, so here it's like when we can see 3 to get into 12, the answer is 4. So the answer here is 4. So when we say 3 should get into negative 6x, the answer there is negative 2x. So the way it is now, that means we have made equation, like we can say this should be our equation number 3. So this is our third equation. Now we are going to substitute this third equation in let me say we're going to substitute it in our second equation, this second equation here. So we are going to say 2x minus 3. This third equation should go, the value of y of this third equation should be substituted in this second equation. So it will be 4 here minus 2x close bracket equals negative 4. So 2x and negative 3 multiplied by 4, we are getting 12 of negative. The negative 3 multiplied by negative 2x, we are going to get 6 positive. That will be plus 6x equals negative 4. So there we go, like terms together. So it will be 2x plus 6x equals negative 12. Negative 4 plus 12, because negative 12 has crossed an equal sign here. Has crossed an equal sign, then it has given us positive 12 the other side. So there we go. 2x plus 6x, we get 8x equals negative 12. Negative x plus positive 12 or plus 12. The answer is 8 positive. So there we go. That means we are going to say over 8 for us to get the value of x. So 8 into 8, it will be 1. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 1. So we have got the value of x. Now, I'll turn over the question. I'll turn over the paper so that we find the other value. Now, we have got the value of x. What we are going to do here is just a matter of substituting in any of these equations. So we can either substitute in equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. So as for me, I have chosen to substitute value of x in equation 3 here. So it will be y equals 4 minus 2. The value of x, which is 1 here, I'll substitute it here. I'll put 1 there. Then there I go. Yeah, so it will be 4 minus 2. Since 1 multiplied by 2, the answer is 2. So 4 minus 2, then I'll get positive 2. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Reaching this far, then we have solved the matrix equation. So let me just show you where we have come from. So the question, that's the question. Find the value of x and y in this matrix equation. Then there we go. We got two equations there. Then here we got the third equation up to the final answer. We have got x and y. So thank you. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these questions. Thank you.